I'm Saritha Kumari, Assistant Professor, EEE Department, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Numerical, Hyderabad, under the course Performance of Transmission Lines and Cables. The topic is numerical problems from Module 1. We'll see a few numerical problems from Module 1. So, this Module 1 is about the parameters of the transmission line, right? Parameters of the line transmission line parameters. What are those? RLC. Resistance, inductance, capacitance, calculation and the problems based on that. So there we'll have the concepts of geometrical GMR and GMD, geometrical mean radius, geometrical mean distance. So the problem is here given. A single phase line has two parallel conductors 2 meters apart. What is the distance between the conductors given? 2 meters, right? Next, or capital D, say the distance between the conductors. What is the line? Look at the line given. Is it a single phase line or 3-phase line? Because we'll have the expression for single phase line and also 3-phase line. Now, so it is given single phase line. Conductors distance is given between the conductors 2 meters. Diameter of each conductor, let us say the diameter 1.2. So from that, what is the radius? D by 2. So this is centimeter, right? So 0.6 centimeter. Calculate the loop inductance. They have asked loop inductance per kilometer of the line. So we know that what is the inductance expression for the transmission line? The inductance line transmission line inductance for conductor. Per conductor it is 2 into 10 power minus 7, right? L is given by L is equal to inductance per conductor. Okay, this is per conductor. 2 into 10 power minus 7 log base E D by R dash. Okay, Henries per meter. Okay, so this is the inductance per conductor. Inductance per conductor. This is okay. 2 into 10 power standard expression. 2 into 10 power minus 7 log base E capital D by R dash. Okay. Here capital D is the distance between the conductors and R dash is the point. We know that R dash is 0.7788 R, where R is the radius of the conductor. Okay. So now, but in the problem they asked the total inductance, loop inductance they ask. So that will be given by, okay, loop inductance or total inductance means, because in the transmission line we have two conductors, single phase transmission line, it will be multiplied with 2. It will be multiplied with 2. So the expression becomes 4 into 10 power minus 7 log base E capital D by R dash. Now substituting all the values, okay. So per meter, this is Henries per meter. So 4 into 10 power minus 7 log base E, D is in meters, and what is the radius? What is this R dash? 0.7788 into, this is R is how much? 0.6 centimeters, right? Convert that into meters. So that will be the substitution calculation. Okay. So in substituting meters, D is in meters given 2 meters, and radius also substitute in meters 1.2 into 10 power minus 2. So after calculating this, we will be getting this value, okay, in Henries per meter. Henries per meter. Now, but they asked per kilometer. So calculate the loop inductance per kilometer. So per kilometer means into 10 cube. Okay, whatever the value we obtain here, multiply with 10 cube. Then, but the final answer we'll see here. After doing this, our answer should be, okay, our answer should be, okay, not final answer, it is not given, but here it is given in terms of logarithmic capital D by R dash. Okay, so will be, okay, but this is how final answer should be. Okay, sorry, this is not meter, this is for kilometer. Okay, substitute using calculator, scientific calculator, calculate this, and after this is Henry's per meter. So multiply that with 10 cube, we'll be getting the final answer that will, and its units are Henry's per kilometer. The problem is, find the inductance per phase per kilometer of double circuit three-phase line shown in figure. The conductors are transposed and are of radius 0.7, okay, 0.75 centimeter each phase sequence is ABC. Okay, this is a problem given three-phase line given in the figure. You see ABC, that means double circuit. Double circuit means each conductor has the another conductor. A has a conductor A dash, which is given here. B conductor has B dash and C conductor has C dash. And the distances between them is given like this. And the conductors are transposed and are of radius. Here radius of the conductor is given 0.75. R is given 0.75 centimeter. So now, how to calculate the inductance? Find the inductance per phase per kilometer. Okay. So we know that what is the inductance? What is the inductance expression for a double circuit line? For a double circuit line, it is 2 into 10 power minus 7. Okay, of course, they ask inductance per phase. So that's why 2 into 10 power minus 7. Logarithmic dm by ds. What is dm? Mutual GMD. What is ds? Self GMD. Okay. So that is our inductance expression for the double circuit line. Okay, or double circuit. Okay, single phase line or three phase line. So that is the expression. Now calculate first dm and ds for this circuit given. So here ds is given by, because this is a three phase line, cube root of ds1 multiplied with ds2 multiplied with ds3. Next, ds1 is with respect to the first phase, A phase, self GMD with respect to the first phase. Okay, we have to calculate. Okay, that means A phase has its two conductors, right? A and A dash. We have to calculate. Next, similarly for B phase, ds2, it has the two conductors B and B dash. Third conductor, it has two conductors C and C dash. That's it. Next, dm. dm is given with respect total GM on dm, cube root of dab. Okay, mutual GMD with respect to the two phases, between the distance between the two phases. So distance between A and B phase, BC phase, CA phase, like that. So now here first calculate ds1. First ds1 calculating. So first so here see that this is how the arrangement, right? So this is 4 and this is 5.5. This distance is 4 meters and this distance is 5.5 and this distance is, of course, this is also 4 meters. This is 3 meters. 3 meters. Okay, this is the arrangement, previous slide diagram. Now, first they are calculating because we know that DS1, how to calculate DS1, DS2, and also DS3, finally DS. What is DS1? Okay, fourth root of DAA. So self GMD with respect to the one phase, it's okay, only with respect to one self GMD. Means due to the conductors, multiple conductors present in the same phase. So in A phase we have two conductors, A and A dash. That's why, okay, DA, fourth root of DAA, A dash, D A dash A, D A dash A dash, right? DAA, fourth root of DAA, A dash, D A dash A dash, D A dash A. Okay, so the sequence A dash, A dash A dash A dash. Okay, with respect to its own radius. Similarly, A dash A dash. Then A and A dash, A dash and A dash, A. That is a. Now, what is A? That is A with respect to the conductor itself. So here we know that in inductance calculation, not only simply radius we take 0.778 into R. So that is a, what is the radius given? It's given 0.75 in centimeters. So A is given by 0.75 into 0.7788, which gives, okay, this is the value 0.85 centimeters. So that's why substituting meters into 10 power minus 2. Okay, this one. Next, what is AA dash? Look at this diagram. Calculate AA dash. Here is A. This is A dash. So now, what is A dash from here to here? 3 plus 3. Okay. 3 plus 3, 6. Plus 6 whole square plus 4 whole square. So the distance between A to A dash is given by square root of, from the diagram arrangement given, okay, from here to here, from, okay, so 6 to 6 whole square plus 6 whole square plus 3 or 4 whole square. Okay, next, similar, okay, that is what it is substituted here. That is same, okay, that is a value point, okay, this is a dash, A value, this is A dash A dash, which is also nothing but A dash A dash, A dash A. Then A dash is same as the A, right? So substitute. Now, from the arrangement, DS1 is same as the DS3. Okay, from the conductor arrangement, if we check, okay, what is DS3? Fourth root of, what is DS3? Fourth root of with respect to C phase. Next, DS2. DS2 fourth root of with respect to the B phase. Okay, with respect to the B phase, it has the conductor B and B dash. So from the diagram, it is calculated. Okay, obtain, okay, 0.195, okay, that is 0.18. Finally DS, cube root of DS1 into DS2 into DS3. Next, calculating DM. What is DM? For cube root of DAB multiplied with DABA and DCA, right? So as I mentioned already, how to calculate DAB? Okay, distance between the two phases, fourth root of between the two different phases. DAB, AB dash, right? DAB between the phases, AB dash, A dash B, A dash B dash. Distance. Okay. So those are the AB, AB dash, A dash B, AB, A dash B dash. So From the diagram, okay, the distances are taken, calculated. This is same as a BC. Okay, from that arrangement we can see that. So next, DCA. So CA, CA dash, C dash A, C dash A dash. Then finally DM. So come to the calculation inductance. Okay, 2 into 10 power minus 7 log base E dm by ds. Log base E dm by ds. So substitute this dm and ds and finally obtained as milli 6.623 10 power minus 3 millihenries. They asked per kilometer value. So per kilometer means it becomes 0.623 millihenries. Okay. So this is the answer for this. That's all. These are the problems for now. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.